Okay, so after downloading the code editor, the first and important thing we need to do, we need to understand how jQuery works. Okay, so if you already have idea about JavaScript before now, um, I believe you could skip this section of the video, or you could just stay with us. Okay, you could learn something new. Um, we need to download jQuery. Okay, it's just like a library, it's a package. Okay, we need to download it and install it on our browser before it works. Okay, so we could do so in two ways. We could use either Cdn links, or we could download it and include it in our project. So either one that's comfortable for you, it's good. But I would recommend that you, while designing your project, you don't want to always load it on your page every time. Like, I mean, you don't want to use Cdn link while designing your project. Okay, I'm gonna explain all of this in the course of this video. Okay, I'm gonna explain. I just want you to have a basic idea of it. Okay. Okay. I think the best thing to do right now is to just show us. Okay, so let's just go ahead and download jQuery, and we'll click on the uncompressed version. Okay, I just choose to download this version. So now the next thing I'll do is due to the nature of my browser, I'm just gonna copy all of this guy. So Ctrl C, and I already have my what's it called my folder loaded up in my project in Sublime Text. If you don't know how I did it, I just clicked on Files, I clicked on Open Folder, and I have jQuery lecture, and I just clicked on Select. Okay, so if you don't have that, you just have to create a new folder and do what I just did right now. Okay, so right in here, I'm just going to right click on this file place, and I'm going to say make a new folder, and I'm going to give the folder a name of assets. Okay, and I think we have it right here. Okay, so in assets, I'm going to make a new file, and I'm going to save it as jQuery.js. okay, and in the jQuery.js, I'm just going to paste all the jQuery codes I had there. Okay, so why is this thing having, okay, we're all good to go. So next, for sure, I just need to I need to create my index to the HTML file to do the proper linking. So in lecture, I'm just in a new file, and I'll save as index.html. okay, I think I should name this guy a small a. I'm just comfortable with it that way. Okay, so after this, we need to include a boilerplate. Okay, so I already have my HTML boilerplate already, so I'm just gonna paste it right here, and we're good to go. Okay, now so let me explain this again. What I did, I just created a folder, and I created a file jQuery.js in it. Okay, I downloaded the uncompressed version of jQuery.js. okay, you could check out the compressed version, that means the other version, the minified version. Okay, but for now, for clarity purpose, I'm just downloading this guy. Okay, and in index.html, we're gonna do the linking. I kept this in this folder so that it's more organized. Okay, so that I have all my files in one place, and I don't have to start going up and down for my files. Okay, and so let's get started. I told us there were two ways to link up jQuery on our web page. Okay, there's CDN, and there's the normal local file linking. Okay, and how we do that is that we use the script, and we enter the source of the script, which is src, and we enter the file path, which is in this case assets/jQuery. okay, jQuery.js. Now we usually do this linking just before the closing body tag. Okay, just right here. Okay, and it's not placed on top the head section. We do this so that jQuery could, our website could load faster. Okay, because say this guy is 70 kilobyte, it just needs to load before just at the bottom of the page. Okay, so say we have text and we have images, we have our logo, Okay, we're giving them the ultimatum to load beforehand. You understand why this JavaScript is just like an expendable. We want our users to see our content. Okay, while they're waiting for our content, then JavaScript could actually load. So this is just the concept behind it. Okay, another one is using Cdn Link. Okay, Cdn means Content Directory Network. Okay, and we could get a lot of Cdn stuff. We just go to Google and type Jquery CDN. I think we have it right there, and we could click on this guy. Let's see. Okay, so and I think we have something like this. Okay, so for the CDN link we could do the same. It's just that in place of the source we're just gonna paste this link. Okay, and it does the same thing. Okay, one of the good reasons of using CDN link is that it's actually it's actually advisable in this regard. For instance, doing my development mode, like I said, I use the normal jQuery.js file inside my local folder. Okay, but when I'm taking it online, I kind of change it to CDN link, because a lot of people visit websites, okay, where jQuery is used as a CDN. Okay, and this is the point. So when I visit the website, the browser catches CACHE, either way it's spelled, this jQuery file. Okay, it stores on the browser. Okay, so when they come to your page and reload, jQuery is not loaded again. It's just it's the church version is what they see. Okay, so they don't have to spend that part of the, should I say, of the data loading your page. Okay, so we want to have this in mind. No matter the application we're building, speed is very important. We don't want to keep our users for 10 hours or 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 2 minutes loading a simple page on our website. No. So this is a way we cut out those size of data and save the users data. Okay, so we get the concept now. So I'm just going to leave it this way for now. Okay, so how do we check if this is working? One way I do is I just open contain folder and I click on this on my browser. Okay, so I'm just going to view page source and I'll click on access.js. Okay, just this way. Okay, so I'm seeing this code right here, and that's how I know it's linked correctly. Okay, now we need to know if jQuery is working. There's a code we use for this. Okay, and don't bother if you don't know about the code right now. Okay, but just follow up. Okay, I just want to show us if this is really working. Okay, so let me reload this on my page. Okay, so I have jQuery test completed. Now what I just did here, okay, I'm gonna explain this in subsequent videos. What I just did here is that I used the keyword document and I created an event which is .ready, and then I said function. I created a closure function or an anonymous function, and it says, okay, if document is ready, I just want you to alert jQuery test completed. And if this is not the case, you see it's not loading. Okay, what I just did is I just changed something in this place to show you it's actually working, and reloads, and now it's working. So we've got jQuery installed, guys. This is cool. We are actually progressing. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture where we'll be looking at more things what jQuery could do for us. Thanks for watching.